Hey, name's Matt. Welcome to the channel.
Oh, we in the thick of it now. Woohoo! What's that? Posted something site. Don't know what that said. Might have said irrigation site. Wow, okay. Holy cow. Wow. Oh, where is this? Where is this going? Whew. Oh man, that looks gnarly. Oh boy. Woo! Oh boy. That was muddy. What we got here? Alley-oop. Oh boy. Let's pick my line carefully here. Oh, I'm in a bit of a rut. All right. I see the end. Let's trudge down to it. Come on. Oh boy, no.
I ain't touching that. Oh boy, okay. We're gonna turn around here. Right after, hang on. Maybe this was trying to freaking kill me. Hello. Stay up now. Oh boy. Oh, I gotta wash this bike today. Whew. I just added a new chore to my list. Washing this bike when I get back. Oh, that mud. Woo! Okay. Here we go. Up the hill. Get up here. Oh boy. Didn't I say I wasn't gonna do this yet?
I better put off going off-road very much until I get the skid plate and radiator guard. Things can go very badly, very fast.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I did not think this was gonna be this gnarly of a trail. Oh, I was expecting like leftover construction stuff, not like all of this. Holy crap. Woohoo! All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. All right, come on. Up and over. Whoop. That didn't feel too good on the front. Whew. Oh man. Whew. Man, that was fun. That was risky though. Let me stop for a second and take a look at the damage. Is that was bad. That was a lot more gnarly than I was expecting. All right, let's inspect. Okay. How are my tires? That's good. Nothing up with the radiator. It's dirty. Got some mud caked up in there. That's fine. It's not going to be a problem. See this? This is why I don't delete that. I don't get why people delete that rear fender. All right. Everything's fine.